spend some time at the end of the day. Might as well get the nice long wind-free zone.
It's good with the silencer.
Yeah, but I'm taking the flash iron suppressor.
How did you get it on there?
It's just...
It's a quick detach.
Yeah.
Mine does not, mine will not do that.
You had to
the screw?
I think I have to take the orange tip off.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Alright, ready guys?
Ready?
Oh shit, I should probably put a mag in my gun. Yeah, I had to betray your friend, I felt bad. Go ahead. Nope, door's closed.
Okay, yeah.
Crossing. Got one, middle. We should move.
All right.
Hold up. Go ahead and move.
All right, lay down, suppress fire for
Go.
me. Right?
Yep. He's on the corner of the middle building on the outside. Right there. Whoa! Robert? Okay, keep moving. Keep looking for her. Oh, sorry. Get with her, get with her. You like my little camp spot?
I saw her right there, so I was gonna go back.
I heard somebody running and I heard him say right before that they had her. I'm like, uh-oh, I better stop this.
Another shot to the butt. That makes 3.
Today?
2 today, 1 yesterday.
Wow.
And today is my first official day playing airsoft.
Nice.
I just saw him and I was like,
Whoops.
Banged him twice. And banged Schroeder and shot him.
I saw her, I was like, oh shit, there she is.
You're just like, take her and go, go, go.
I
thought I said put her where she won't get shot in the butt.
Huh.